How do you create an instant part? These parts is created under the menu Parts, as they are individual items that can be linked to multiple products. So how to do these? So if you add a new part, you will actually build already an instant part. There is also public parts. It's only available with special agreements with What.io to create these that will be available for any team in the world. So how do you create an instant part? Actually, it looks very similar as you create a local part. You have to be very careful about your article number or your SKU. It needs to be unique. It's very important when you do reusable parts. The section with a red circle should only be used if you want it to have downloadable 3MF file or STL files. Then it's very simple and easy to link the instant part to any of your products. You actually just click the button Add Instant Parts, and since the part already exists in your database, you can simply click the checkbox and say Select. It's that easy.